Hello YouTube friends. Welcome back. Today we will explore Viper at Six Flags Magic Mountain in Valencia, California. Viper is a steel roller coaster located in the Baja Ridge area of Magic Mountain. It is the last operating roller coaster with 7 inversions to be built by American manufacturer Aerodynamics. When Viper opened on April 7, 1990, it was the tallest and fastest looping coaster in the world, with a top speed of 80 miles per hour, 130 kilometers per hour. The height record for the tallest vertical loop lasted until 2000, with the opening of Superman Krypton Coaster at Six Flags, Fiesta, Texas. The ride does not waste time to impress. Upon exiting the station, the train immediately begins climbing the 188-foot, 57-meter lift hill. At the top, the train curves into the 171-foot, 52-meter drop and enters a 144-foot, 44-meter vertical loop. The train then makes a sharp left, entering 2 vertical loops and climbing into the mid-course brake run. Then comes a radical zigzag into a batwing element, where it goes through a half corkscrew, followed by a half loop. Before you can even catch your breath, the train goes up into another half loop and half corkscrew so that it returns in the opposite direction. Riders are photographed by an on-ride camera in the middle of this element. With barely a moment to say cheese, you make a right turn and immediately enter a double corkscrew which inverts riders twice. The ride leads into a flat section of track, followed by an S-curve drop and rise into the final brake run, before turning right into the station. In August 2018, Viper closed for an extended refurbishment. On December 22, 2018, Viper reopened to the public with new modifications. Please enjoy a couple of HD POV trips in the front seat of Viper. The first was filmed with a GoPro, and the second with video glasses. Did you enjoy this ride? Please comment below. Please like and subscribe with a click to the thumbs up below. See you next time with more West Coast amusement park rides. Cheers!